I want a big round of applause for this man. He is, like I said, a beacon. If you know Stand Up Nigeria, you know the man himself. A grand host back in the day. His name, Ajebaba, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, thank you, everybody. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ajebaba. I've been on a clap again, me to be like, say, and I see so many beautiful ladies in the house. Ladies, hello. Like, duh. What if you duh? You follow girl talk smart, you get like, duh. Now, Igbo girls, nice, but Igbo girls say, nah, duh. Yoruba girls scatter at they say, Joe. What I just want to do is I just want to advise the ladies, just be yourself. I don't know see the word, especially our ladies of nowadays. They go born una, higher canopy, do naming ceremony. Now you get through and give herself name. I saw one girl some weeks ago. I called ask the girl, I said, baby girl, what is your name? Before she tell me her name, she posed, huh? I said, your name. The girl said, don't rush me. It's my name. She said, my name is Latush. Can't do the shh. Like she did fry egg. I said, your name. The girl said, are you deaf? I said, Latush. When God won't punish the girl, I brought her my checkbook. As I bring her mother, I said, baby girl, what name should I write on the check? As the girl here, check. Instead of Kechi Amadioha. I love the Igbo so much. If you are here, you are proudly Igbo. Can you put your hands together for yourself? They don't say always talk. They say, the guys, they say, cha Igbo kwenu. More than answer me made the joke for sweet. Cha Igbo kwenu. Renu. Tanu. Kwezonu. Now so the thing they be normal. One stupid Igbo boy don't stay 30 years for America. He need they come back. Now when the papa die, now he they come back. You know when you come back, you need to address the elders with the cha thing. 30 years in America, see enter. He say cha what? Cha damn. Cha Igbo make some no. Then bury and join the papa. I said no. This I don't know how to begin. I watch the people like Igbo. You say, Igbo man, very ambitious person. When Igbo man go travel, enter your country, nah, speak your language. But the only problem is say Igbo go they mix with your language, small. My brother Arinze, go Jamaica, spend 2 days. 2 days for Jamaica, now I come back, they speak part of. What do you nana ebumbu? To God, they Clark Chukuja. Now you go America, spend 1 week. 1 week for America. As you come back, I shake up. Ebuka for shit. Ebuka, damn, Ebuka, walk. When they hear once, Ebuka, Ebuka ain't got. When they hear one thing, when God won't punish, I go my 2. They come over wallet for his pocket, no. As he touch him back pocket, he said, wait. Hey. That's why I'm not here. I don't want to fall in hard. I say, but goddamn, it's happened, get them, man. They do welcome back home. Your life no just balance. But please, the best time to rent house in Lagos, I always tell people, have rainy season. If you want rent house for Lagos, don't let them whine you. Landlord go tell you, say, I mean, you can't go rent house in Hamatan. Now new house. Now you disvirgin the house. The house they get good luck. Anybody when they ban for the house. Now like you. My guy will go rent house during Hamatan. Now during the rainy season, you say in Palo, na fish pond. When the job come outside, I see 2 catfish, they do the blue. I like it about Ajegunle. Oh my God, poverty is about you know. Any spirit of poverty, Holy Ghost. I'm Ajegunle during any season. I go MC one wedding. What's about Ajegunle people? Forget when Nigeria from come, they bomb me. What's about Ajegunle people? They need a higher hall if they want to party. Either they do it for main road or they go do it inside one primary school compound. Last year, I did this. I go MC one wedding now. Inside primary school field. Bini man, no canopy. Before I started, I go ask the man, Epa, you know higher canopy. He said, man, don't worry. Say don't hurry. Okay. Now I say, man, I start the wedding. I say, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this wedding reception. You are highly. I never even talk anything. See better than we start to 4. This is not primary school compound. Because they enter different classroom. This is not primary school compound. Because they enter different classrooms. I enter primary 1A. Where I did the high, somebody drop my cloth. I look back at the group. He said, MC. I said, he said, you don't see my wife. I said, she does, she 2C. It's what of my mama, my pa, headmaster office. He said, Ajebi. I said, those guys, let's go toilet. He said, what of the food? I said, nah, me keep up by myself. Security office. When rain fall finish, we come back, cake done lost. We have to eat pop to do cake. We have to take shock. The children, small children, we thief the cake. Small children, we thief the cake. Ajegunle children, they don't cut them small. They come, they sell them back to us. Buy your wedding cake. What's na bad thing, no? I know that you don't do it before. You don't be Igbo man. You can't stay Yoruba compound. My brother, if you don't stay face me, I face you, you no go ever happen. If you don't stay there, if you stay there this year, you no go stay there. You don't stay Yoruba compound, wey be say baby be Igbo. You can't stay Yoruba compound. No that kind of compound. Anything we happen for that compound, you go be like saying I first find trouble. My former compound, I be Igbo. The rest of my neighbors, Yoruba. I just came back from church. I say, ma, sleep. My landlady pikin come dey disturb me. I can smoke, come, bam. The boy cry, go call him mama, come. Fat Yoruba woman. She start to speak Yoruba. Ajebaba. Kí ló mú mi ṣe fún ẹ tó nà ọmọ mi? I need to speak Yoruba. Kí ló mú mi ṣe fún ẹ? I say, cool. Ngbà tí mo. Ṣé church lọ́tà? Má bàa ní mo lọ. Sí kí n sùn díẹ̀. Nga m nọ na-asụ. Ụmụazị a na-akpariwo. A na-akpariwo. Mkpariwo ha na-akpa. Abịa dị stop m n'ime ụlọ. Masụ ha n'isuru. Ha ajụ mama ha ka ntị. Zo ma jụ asị ịsaba ime alọ asị alọla. The funny truth is I don't dey laugh because of salary. But I don't about any police here. I want you to talk this one because it's good. It's very important. I don't go one place and they crack this joke. This particular joke I want to talk now. And they talk everybody they laugh. One particular man they laugh in the giggle. Now just a do. I know they say I die a day. Time to go. As I reach outside, I saw two smaller police for my bonnet. They say, my friend. I say, sir. I say, are you a comedian inside? I say, yes. So they say, we are a comedian outside. They say, you know frog jump? I say, yes. They say, just the frog they go. Where are they do frog jump? People come watch me for show. Then they go out. They see, they tell me, you are still performing here. You love performance. Talking about police. Man, no, I'm on a first class for Nigerian police first. I bet. But I don't say the club when I appreciate them. Man, no talk, man, no like they try this way, they try. Talking about police, I love American police. I never go before. Now for TV, I look with now they talk. American police, they pamper criminal. For America, person die, murder case. American police and they interrogate the suspect. They ask the man, Mr. Man, did you kill your neighbor? For police, they don't know. The man get mind. Tell police before I answer you. I want to smoke cigarette. Police give my cigar. He smoke. For America, they ask him again. Did you kill your neighbor? He tell police. I want to drink coffee. American police ask him milk or sugar. The guy say put it two and give me bread. Listen, the police station chop money food. Finally, American police ask him, did you kill your neighbor? The man say, I can't remember. What did police do? They get a complimentary card. In case you remember, call me. Yeah? One police station for Ajegunle. The pressing iron. They don't plug on 2 weeks ago. Iron just the hot for nothing. They don't ask the man any question. No? They just put the hot iron for him ear. Bill, the man say, yeah! I mean, tip the motor. Police say, no, the motor will define a small generator. The man say, hey, if I talk now, I put the chain for the motor. But talking about is, you see, they compare. America will still dey. E get some certain things wey go happen for America. You no go work for Naija. For America, I let you shock the man. What you dey hear? Somebody call 911, CPR, give him yogurt, call the president, get an ambulance. Hello, somebody. Hey. For Ajegunle, electric dey shock the boy. What you dey hear? Bring Paco. Point gutter. One auto my dey pass. Say shock am again. Na shock dey cure shock. But by the time they save the person, the waist don't break. I got the life they just balance. So, and You say we dey always talk some kind things when you don stay place like face me I face you, because out of reality we try to bring out jokes out of reality. When you go place like Ajegunle, first stop again I must always say it, any spirit of poverty Holy Ghost fire. For Ajegunle, one guy, my guy, dey stay VGC before, God bless am o, dey do good work. Before you know, hand touch am, he be village people. Guy come pack comot from VGC, come ask me whether he fit get cheap accommodation. Ajegunle dey. I pack come Ajegunle, come dey stay 2 rooms, and the guy na person dey like to cook. And if you dey Ajegunle, you dey like to cook, you must see neighbors wey wan chop. Young man, bachelor, first day wey pack enter, we dey our own o, we don dey perceive egusi dey come outside. Obinna, he say yeah. You dey cook soup? Yeah. Bachelor wey dey cook? Yeah. Na today o? Yeah. We go chop o. Soup suppose last 1 week, last 3 minutes. The next day the guy dey cook vegetable. As usual, neighbor dey come. Neighbor, yeah, you go even die for this compound. You just dey cook, dey go. Na vegetable? Yeah. We go chop o. Soup finish. The next day the guy dey warm yam. He just dey warm am. As usual come out. Neighbor, inside dey warm yam. We go chop. I think we go chop for straight the guy. Last Saturday, the guy take 5,000 naira enter market. He use 1,000 buy all the soup ingredients. Use the remaining 4,000 buy igbo. Come use igbo cook the soup. As in dey cook, as usual, neighbor dey come. Neighbor, yeah. Na soup, yeah. We go chop. I'll give you. Now you get the chop. 20 minutes later, the whole compound quiet. Then 5 neighbors, they don't see anyone, they don't see anybody for compound. When we go backyard, now we see the whole compound, everybody line up naked, they do left, right, 1, 2. They find landlord and landlady. They find landlord and landlady, then they back, they say they're naked, they do 10, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. This way, the next day, and the guy they cook, now they call neighbor they cook oh, they say chop with a fast oh. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. Enjoy the rest of the show. God bless you.